In this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Binance to Coinbase. Start by signing into your Coinbase account. From the dashboard, click Receive and select the cryptocurrency you want to receive, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDC. Next, make sure you select the correct network if Coinbase gives you more than one option. Then copy your Coinbase wallet address. After that, sign into your Binance account. Go to Wallet, then click Fiat and Spot. Now find the cryptocurrency you want to send and click Withdraw. Next, choose Send via Crypto Network, then paste the Coinbase wallet address into the recipient field. After that, select the same network you selected in Coinbase. It's important that the network matches on both platforms to avoid losing your funds. Now enter the amount of crypto you want to transfer and review the network fee and the final amount that will be received. Next, click Withdraw, then complete the required security verification, such as email confirmation, SMS verification, or your authenticator app. Finally, wait for the blockchain confirmations. Once the transaction is complete, open your Coinbase account and check your balance to confirm the crypto has arrived successfully. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to transfer crypto from Binance to Coinbase. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.